Start with the name of Almighty Allah, who is most beneficent and most merciful. My roll number is 17ES32. Today my presentation topic is transducer. Introduction. Basically, transducer is defined as a device which convert energy or information from one form to another form. These are widely used in measurement work because not all quantities that need to be measured can be displayed as easily as others. A better measurement of a quantity can usually be made if it may be converted to another form which is more conveniently or accurately displayed. For example, the common mercury thermometer converts variation in temperature into variation in the length of column of mercury. Since the variation in the length of the mercury column is rather simple to measure, the mercury thermometer becomes a convenient device for measuring temperature. Now, mechanical transducer are simple and rugged in construction, cheap in cost, accurate and operate without external power supplies but not advantageous for many of the modern scientific experiment and process control instrumentation owing to their poor frequency response. Requirement of large force to overcome mechanical friction, incom- incompatibility when remote control or indication is required, and a lot of other limitation. All these drawbacks have been overcome with the introduction of electrical transducer. Now electrical transducer. Mostly quantities to be measured are non-electrical such as temperature, pressure, displacement, fluid flow, speed, etc. But these quantities cannot be measured directly. Hence, such quantities are required to be sensed and changed in some other form of easy measurement. Electrical quantities such as current, voltage, resistance, inductance, capacitance, etc. Now we can move to classification of transducer. Transducer may be classified in various ways such as on the basis of electrical principle involved and involved method of application, method of energy conversion used, nature of output signal. Classification of transducer primary and secondary. Transducer on the basis of methods of application may be classified into primary and secondary when input signal is directly sensed by transducer and physical phenomena is converted into electrical form directly, then such transducer is called primary transducer. For example, a thermistor used for measurement of temperature fall in this category. The thermistor sensed the temperature directly and caused the change in resistance with the change in temperature. When the input signal is sensed first by some detector or sensor and then its output being of some form other than input signal is given as input to the transducer for conversion into electrical form, then such a transducer fall in the category of secondary transducer. That's all about my presentation. Thank you, sir.